Imagine a world without the roar of jet engines replaced by a quiet hum. Picture the tranquility of a serene countryside or a peaceful cityscape, undisturbed by the deafening noise of traditional aircraft. A Chinese professor claims to have invented a revolutionary jet engine that could make this a reality. He says his engine generates thrust using only electricity, eliminating the need for conventional fuel. This groundbreaking technology has the potential to transform aviation as we know it. Imagine planes that are not only quieter but also more environmentally friendly, reducing carbon emissions significantly. His invention has sparked excitement and debate worldwide, with many eager to learn if it truly is a game-changer. The professor, named Dr. Liwei, no relation to the astronaut, unveiled his invention at a prestigious scientific conference in Beijing. The event was attended by leading experts in the field, all curious to see if Dr. Liwei's claims held water. He presented a working prototype and experimental data that appeared to support his claims. The prototype demonstrated the engine's ability to generate thrust, using electrical power alone, a feat that many thought was still decades away. However, extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and the scientific community has met Dr. Liwei's announcement with a mix of anticipation and cautious scrutiny. Researchers are now meticulously analyzing the data, looking for any inconsistencies or potential flaws in the methodology. The implications of this technology are vast. If proven viable, it could lead to a new era of aviation where flights are quieter, more efficient, and less harmful to the environment. The scientific community remains hopeful, yet cautious, as they await further validation of Dr. Liwei's groundbreaking work. The world watches with bated breath, eager to see if this bold claim will indeed revolutionize the skies. Traditional jet engines burn fuel to create hot expanding gas that propels the aircraft forward. Dr. Liwei's engine, however, uses electricity to ionize air and create plasma. This plasma, heated to extreme temperatures, is then channeled through a nozzle to generate thrust. This process, known as magnetohydrodynamics, is not new. However, previous attempts to use it for propulsion have been inefficient and impractical. Dr. Liwei asserts that his design overcomes these limitations, though the specifics of his breakthrough remain closely guarded. He claims his engine is significantly more efficient than conventional jet engines and produces zero emissions, promising a cleaner, quieter future for air travel. If Dr. Liwei's claims hold true, his invention could revolutionize aviation. Electric planes are already being developed, but they are limited by battery capacity and range. An electric jet engine, however, could theoretically draw power from renewable sources, enabling long-distance flights with zero emissions. This technology could also transform space travel. Without the need for heavy fuel, spacecraft could travel farther and faster, opening up new possibilities for exploration. Furthermore, the engine's silent operation could have significant military applications, allowing for stealthier aircraft and drones. The potential benefits of Dr. Liwei's invention extend far beyond aviation. The technology could be used to develop more efficient power plants, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Its scalability means it could power everything from cars to ships, ushering in a new era of electric transportation. Moreover, the lack of moving parts in the engine translates to less wear and tear, potentially leading to lower maintenance costs and increased reliability. This could be particularly advantageous in harsh environments like space or underwater, where repairs are difficult and costly. Section 5. Challenges and limitations. Despite the excitement, it's crucial to acknowledge the challenges and limitations of this technology. One major hurdle is the amount of electricity required to power the engine. Current battery technology is insufficient for long flights, and generating the necessary power on board could be a significant engineering challenge. Another concern is the potential for unintended consequences. The ionization process creates byproducts, and their impact on the atmosphere is unknown. Thorough environmental impact studies will be crucial before widespread adoption can be considered. Section 6. The Skeptical Chorus. Unsurprisingly, Dr. Liwei's claims have been met with skepticism from some quarters of the scientific community. Many experts remain cautious, pointing to the lack of peer-reviewed research and independent verification of his findings. Others highlight the history of failed attempts to develop similar technologies, urging a healthy dose of skepticism. Some critics argue that Dr. Liwei's data is insufficient or potentially flawed. They demand more transparency and rigorous testing before accepting his claims. This skepticism is not unusual. It is a fundamental part of the scientific process, ensuring that extraordinary claims are backed by extraordinary evidence. Section 7. Addressing the doubts. Dr. Liwei has responded to the skepticism by inviting independent researchers to examine his work. He understands that transparency is key in the scientific community, and by opening his research to external scrutiny, he aims to build trust and credibility. This move is not just about defending his work, but also about fostering a collaborative environment where ideas can be freely exchanged and improved upon. He has promised to publish his findings in peer-reviewed journals, allowing for scrutiny and validation by the scientific community. Peer review is a fundamental aspect of scientific research, ensuring that new findings are rigorously evaluated by experts in the field. By committing to this process, Dr. Liwei is demonstrating his dedication to scientific integrity and the advancement of knowledge. He acknowledges that his invention is still in its early stages and requires further development before it can be commercially viable. This admission is crucial, as it shows his awareness of the challenges ahead and his willingness to address them. Developing a new technology is a complex and iterative process, often involving multiple rounds of testing, refinement, and validation. However, he remains confident in his technology's potential, stating that he is committed to working with the scientific community to address their concerns and advance the field. His confidence is not unfounded. It is based on preliminary results that have shown promise. By engaging with other experts, he hopes to refine his invention and bring it closer to practical application. This openness to collaboration is encouraging and will be crucial in determining the validity and viability of his claims. Collaboration in science often leads to breakthroughs that would be impossible to achieve in isolation. By pooling resources, knowledge, and expertise, the scientific community can tackle complex problems more effectively. Dr. Liwei's approach exemplifies this spirit of cooperation, which is essential for the progress of science and technology. Section 8. A glimpse into the future. While it's too early to definitively declare Dr. Liwei's invention a success or failure, its potential is undeniable. If his claims prove true, his electric jet engine could usher in a new era of clean, efficient, and silent transportation. Imagine a future where planes silently glide across the sky, leaving behind no trail of pollution. Imagine spacecraft reaching distant planets, powered by the invisible force of electricity. This is the future that Dr. Liwei envisions, and while it may still be years or even decades away, the possibility is both exciting and tantalizing. Section 9. Beyond the horizon. Dr. Liwei's work is a testament to the power of human ingenuity. His groundbreaking research and innovative approach have pushed the boundaries of what we thought was possible, and the relentless pursuit of innovation. Every day, his team tackles complex problems, driven by a shared vision of a better future. Whether or not his invention ultimately fulfills its promise, it represents a significant leap forward in our understanding of propulsion technology. It serves as a powerful reminder that breakthroughs can come from unexpected places. Often, the most revolutionary ideas emerge from the fringes, where conventional wisdom is challenged. It underscores the importance of investing in scientific research. Funding and resources are crucial to nurturing the next generation of scientists and engineers, and fostering a global culture of collaboration and knowledge sharing. In today's interconnected world, the exchange of ideas across borders is more important than ever. As we stand at the cusp of what could be a paradigm shift in propulsion technology, the potential applications are vast and transformative. One thing is certain: the journey of scientific exploration is filled with both challenges and rewards. Each obstacle overcome brings us one step closer to unlocking new possibilities. And the pursuit of knowledge and innovation is an endeavor worthy of our continued support and enthusiasm. From the classrooms where young minds are inspired, to the labs where groundbreaking research is conducted, every effort counts. The future of science and technology depends on our commitment to education and research. By fostering curiosity and encouraging exploration, we pave the way for the next generation of innovators. As we look beyond the horizon, we are reminded that the quest for knowledge is a never-ending journey. Each discovery opens new doors, leading us to uncharted territories and new frontiers. The advancements we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. It is our collective responsibility to support and nurture the spirit of innovation, ensuring a brighter future for all. Together, we can achieve remarkable things. By embracing diversity and fostering collaboration, we can overcome any challenge and reach new heights in our scientific endeavors. Beyond the horizon lies a world of endless possibilities. Let us continue to push the boundaries, explore the unknown, and strive for a future where science and technology benefit all of humanity.